Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we at a camping and today we gonna cook a Thai food at the camper. And this menu, today we gonna make a sliced grilled pork salad with a sticky rice. But the problem is because I forgot the rice cooker and we gonna try to make a sticky rice with the microwave. This is the first time for me, but we're gonna try. I think it's gonna be work. I just used the bowl, 2 bowl, and a plastic wrap, and 2 cups of sticky rice, and I put 1 cup here in this bowl, and 1 cup in another bowl right there. But we're gonna boil the water. Okay. And light. Okay. When the water is hot, going to put in the bowl. We do like this because we have to remove them a little bit sticky on the sticky rice, because when it's cooked it's gonna so much sticky. That's why we have to use the hot water. And then let it set for 1 minute. When it's 1 minute, drain and rinse with the cold water. Just do slowly. Keep doing that a few times. And then add more water to cover the rice. Just a little bit to cover the rice like this, and you can see the rice. Okay. Use the plastic wrap. And then put in the microwave. Okay. Set the time for 7 minutes. Let's see when it's done. Ooh. Oh. Let's see. Take the plastic out and try to do like this. You can see it's almost cooked. And then I'm gonna add a little bit water, but I'm gonna do like this. Okay, and then cover it again. Put in the microwave again. But this time, set the time for 3 minutes. Done. Let's take it out. So it's gonna look like this. And I'm gonna spread a little bit water. You can see this rice is not much sticky and the shape is still the same and look nice. Success! This is how to cook the sticky rice in the microwave. It's easy way to do it. Just a 10 minutes. It's done.